ladies and gentlemen, and being a producer of Wrestle Massacre as well as Inside Movies Galore, I am David Strege, and welcome to Delusions of Grandeur. Enjoy the reviews. I certainly did. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Inside Movies Galore. I'm your host, David Strege, and here I have another review for you, this time of a film that was filmed in 2018 with director Eddie Lengyel's newest film that has come out by Fright Tech Pictures through Dagger 3 Media, as well as E1 Entertainment and IGN Entertainment. So here's what the film looks like. And the story involves a couple of girls who have evidently found an antique box at a rummage sales or some kind of place for like very cheap, and they were kind of surprised that it was, and they came to a paranormal investigator who runs a podcast radio thing that evidently is very popular, and Hunter Perry is played by Rob Jagger, who, let's see, Rob Jagger played in Quarter Bin, and he also played in Hell Week, which are two films that I'm eventually going to check out by, I believe, different company, SLC, something entertainment. So yeah, but Hunter Perry is a comes from a long line of evidently gypsies, and in fact his aunt just so happens to be a medium, which ultimately he buys this antique chest that these two young girls, Alice Crow and Bree, who are played by Caitlin Newberry, who we saw, I believe, in Mother Krampus 2, which was also known by a different title. So apparently this antique chest has a shrunken head in it, with a poem that you recite, kind of like it kind of reminds me of the poem that you get with Lizzie Borden, except you have Lilith Ratchet. Apparently, Lilith Ratchet was killed at one point in time, and she became a spirit that once you play her a game, she's a demon that feeds on your pain. And Hunter Perry Doesn't believe it. Neither does anyone else until people start dying, and he starts getting a call from another character who tells him or warns him about the game and playing it, but he doesn't heed the warning, and he brings it to a rave or kind of a party where his DJ friend, Dylan Reeves, um, ends up playing with him, and a whole bunch of people also play. And uh, now, at the end of the night, Hunter Perry won, but the losers started to die, and the way that they died was unique. I thought that there were some very cool jump scares. The fact that she showed up inside of a vehicle, and I could definitely hear the snap of that neck. That was creepy. And when that sister came uh, out to find her body, that was kind of freaky. So I certainly enjoyed the makeup that was done on Lilith Ratchet herself. Um, it was definitely creepy, the way she just kind of floated, and kept her arms outstretched. You could tell that the makeup that was done on her hands were really cool. The black dress on her was kind of like a school teacher, a school marm, kind of. That was very creepy. And the way her hair was done up in a bun, kind of like the spirit that that we know well in the remake of The Haunting, where she's got that curly Q bun. I think that whoever was in charge of the makeup did an excellent job on Lilith Ratchet's character, and I think that this was a very original story for Eddie Lengyel. Well done. Definitely liked the acting. Definitely liked the kills. They were very unique. They were different, and though I've seen, similar films before, I definitely enjoyed the atmosphere. This definitely had a 80s kind of a feel to it. In any case, hopefully you enjoyed my description of this film. Like and subscribe to my page if you have not. Definitely check the film out. I mean, it was definitely a different scene. Roger Connors play a straight guy compared to a um, a man who dressed up like a woman in the previous film, Mother Krampus 2. So it was enjoyable, the cast that was put together. So thank you for listening. Hopefully you enjoyed my description of this film. Like and subscribe to my page if you have not. Definitely check the film out on your own. You'll probably have a very different opinion, and hopefully I was helpful to how the film might sound to you. And hopefully you can find it as enjoyable as I did. Appreciate the time spent on my page. I just enjoy talking about films in general, and check out some of my older reviews, check out some of my newer reviews, and I'll definitely have some more in store for you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.